Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to do a glassmorphism using Canva. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our image. We're gonna adjust the size of the image. Now we're gonna duplicate the image. Then we're going to go to edit image. And then we're going to scroll to blur. Then we're going to select old image. Then we're going to adjust the intensity to about 32. Now we're going to go back to the main page and we're going to crop into a rectangle. So after we're through with cropping the image, we're going to go to border style. And then we're going to adjust the border weight to 1. Then we're going to adjust the corner rounding. Now we're going to change the color. We're going to add some text. We're going to change the color of the text, also the font. Now we're going to adjust the size of the text. Duplicate. Add a next text. We're going to change the font for this one. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more.